In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Google Meet background in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're attending a virtual meeting, a class, or catching up with friends, sometimes you need to get rid of the background for a cleaner look. Maybe your room is a bit messy or the background is just too distracting. Whatever the reason, Google Meet offers a straightforward way to remove or change your background, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. First things first, let's open up a web browser of your choice and head over to the Google Meet website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account. Just input your credentials and you're good to go. Now, you're presented with a few options, but for today's purpose, click on New Meeting. You'll see a few options pop up. Choose Start an Instant Meeting. This creates a new meeting where you are the sole participant, making it a perfect scenario to adjust your background before inviting others. As soon as your meeting starts, you'll notice the Google Meet interface is quite streamlined. But we're looking for the 3 dots or the More Options button, typically found at the bottom corner of your screen. Clicking here reveals a menu with several options, but the one we're interested in is Apply Visual Effects. Go ahead and select that. After clicking on Apply Visual Effects, a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where Google Meet houses all its visual modifications, including backgrounds and filters. For our purposes, look for the layer icon symbolizing the background options. Clicking this icon will show you a variety of background options, including blur effects, pre-uploaded images, and more. Now, to achieve that clean, distraction-free look, you'll want to click on Remove All. This option essentially does away with any personal or virtual background, leaving you with just the plain backdrop of your real environment. And just like that, in a few steps, you've successfully removed your background in Google Meet. Before wrapping up, it's worth noting that while Google Meet's background removal feature is quite efficient, the quality of the outcome may vary based on your webcam and the lighting in your room. For best results, make sure you're in a well-lit area with a relatively plain backdrop. If your initial attempt doesn't look great, try adjusting your room's lighting or moving to a different spot. And there you have it. A simple guide to removing your background in Google Meet. This feature is particularly useful for those last-minute meets where you don't have the time to tidy up, or for professional settings where a plain background is more appropriate. Feel free to explore other visual effects Google Meet offers, and remember, a great meeting is just not about how you look, but also about good preparation and clear communication. Happy meeting!